Hey.
Hey. Hey.
Young nigga, yeah, 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 yeah. One bitch running, ay, I was 16.
Hey. Pull up.
No ID, yeah, VIP.
Can we see how I can get this, girl?
I'm dead ass. I'm about to. It's fine.
I feel like I'm in labor. Yo, just lean back and relax. Just match my hat. Sock boutique, sock boutique. Carrying the damn freaking shit.
I get free lessons. I get free lessons. I get free lessons. Yeah. Don't lie. Yeah.
Trini girl, you had that vibe and I can't find it nowhere.
We're on our way to a play. We at A&T. Say hey, y'all. Hello.
Suck it.
Sakya. Period. Charity, we gotta get you a sock, okay? We gotta get her. Wait, but don't worry, she getting one soon. But yeah, we on the way to play. We late as hell. The play is about an hour in. Hopefully the play's still going on. Like, sad, tragic. But we walking out.
This morning.
Girl, bye. You should have been up this morning too. She want to get up and go upstairs and go to sleep again. we going to eat. Yeah, I'm upset because they're at capacity and they're not letting nobody in. Like, who all here to see a play? Who all here? Who all here?
Come on, because they think you know how to run in here. I wanted to do something different.
Yeah, we need to come to another day. I'm sad. I'm sad too. Let's go inside. You can't go inside? Can we go inside?
I'm trying to get Shanita a photo shoot. Where you wanted to be in here, Shanita?
She really looking around, confused.
You know how he stole one of those?
Yeah, sexy. Yeah.
Feeling nice. Like as a person.
Going to relax. Baby. Finally. Yes, honey. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sorry, Charlie. This is my top. Hey, guys.
I'm so excited.
We got calls. I'm so excited. I'm so hungry. Woo! I hate when they bring other people's food and they don't bring mine. Like, where's mine? Now I'm gonna just have to order my own macaroni. But
She need a pepperoni.
well, let me get some of this cheese. Don't do that to me. That's not nice. Yeah.
It's like tomato sauce.
Yeah, my food finally came out. Finally came out. It's mad hot. And where's the rest of it? They only brought out one thing. Like, how you gonna bring out my macaroni without my pork chop? They brought me some more mac bites,
Yeah, thank you.
y'all in the pot roast. Yeah, it's mad people out here. Look out, they got more pants.
Look at that little baby. She chilling.
And then once your size, you tell me what you want on it.
Why is it the wrong side? Period. What is this, y'all? I want to do it. It's fun. Look, y'all both. Not they make you drunk.
You would never think if this many people in Greensboro.
Exactly. Like we in North Carolina right now, y'all, and it's mad people outside. T-Mobile even outside.
What about this one? Is it the same one?
Is that the same menu right there?
That's the pedalite. I have to look that one up. That's a newer one that I've started to carry. Or make. I just have a little. You can put jewelry in here.
I don't need a bag.
They're $5.
Okay. This is so cute. It's a little yellow and it's my favorite color. Yeah. And candy.
I guarantee you, if this was late night, this might be long as shit.
Various chakra colors. And this one is called Pretty Balance as it represents the chakra energy source. So the different ones have different meanings. This one is called opulence. That's black stands for sophistication. And pearls, as we know, are wealth, sign of wealth. This one is called true love. The pink represents love and a blue is romance.
No, call somebody. Call somebody.
I know who I want y'all to call.
Hello?
I need the GPS.
I focus on one song.
It's still showing right at the bottom,
Right.
see.
She pissing me the fuck off.
Just go straight for the rest of the ride. Literally. Cause we right around the corner. Look, y'all, she
I want to
running
stay in those so bad.
Word. What was that one called
I don't know
again?
what the fuck name it is. Because that's like a big ass house.
Dang, see, slow down so we can get the name. I'm confused. Go.
She ain't trying to
I'm
stop.
driving. Wait, what the fuck y'all looking at over there?
I'm fucking gonna eat.
Is he coming into me?
I mean, y'all might as well go.
She cannot drive. Yo, you coughing like you smoke hoagies.
Bumping up the wrong tree. You know how the dogs get, haven't fallen off yet.
Girl acting like she getting surgery in the operating room. She getting a tattoo.
Ma'am.
That's your first one.
No, just get her video. Please edit that first video for her.
Yo,
Look at it in the camera roll.
she needs to pay attention on how I edit because I got other videos to edit too. Like, girl, pay attention.
I'm gonna edit. See, why y'all sitting there talking junk? I actually started editing last night.
No.
She going in the car flipping that phone. No. Yeah. Talk about pain that I'm about to be in. Yeah. It's real. Yeah, this. Hold on. I'm sweating. I need to take off the sweater. Oh! No, I'm not gonna make a scene in here. It's only one line, right? You don't gotta do nothing else. Don't ask questions, just relax. I feel like I'm in labor. Right, you can stop recording. Y'all want no pain? Get y'all hands at it.
Absolutely not. Nah, I cook it for everybody else. And that is mine too. He said he had talked to 5 representatives and none of them could get his internet working. So he
You got it up and running?
Yes. As soon as this start healing, I'm gonna come back It gets more stuff.
Yeah, why we here trying to speak Spanish?
Ella quiere la mismo.
Okay, ella quiere la misma.
Okay.
Yeah, my dog.
Okay, dog.
Separado. Ella
Tell
quiere
him what I said.
arroz, un plato, and the rest on the other plate.
Okay, separado.
So, yes.
Separado lo quiere, el arroz.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. This looks so
Arroz
good.
tejano.
Yes.
Caliente, caliente.
Yeah, very.
Wait.
Ooh, that look good. What you got?
Ella
Chicken?
necesita la queso.
Cheese dip.
Why they brought me to the mall? Like now I'm about to spend money, but this is so cute. You see the look? Let me show y'all the shirt. Hold on. That ain't ready. Cute. You know the looks that's coming? They should. But should I get it? Should I get it, Charlie? Why you got me spending money?
It's not my fault. Y'all, she be trying to blame us for spending
It
money.
is y'all. It's y'all fault. Oh, y'all. The hot pink bathing suit, yeah. The hot pink bathing suit on the beach. On the beach, I need to go somewhere, bro.
I like the
I'm not buying no bathing suits right now. That's OD. Mix and match.
You know, when it gets closer to summer, you can't find them.
Yeah,
Imagine.
and they don't be. Look, it's only 14.
That's just for the bottom, though.
Yeah, I hate that. I hate that they sell it separate.
Dang, I really like the owl. That's what we're doing.
Hey. I just want to rock. Body yada yada. Trying to get that body yada yada.
The pen, you know what I'm talking about? The pen.
Hey, that's fire.
Go get you some.
Bundles. And a machine, a vending machine. That's crazy.
You telling me you falling out of love with me. Hope you can find someone to love you better than I did. Taking our memories on love and treating it like nothing. Taking our memories on love and treating it like gossip. It's my love for my grandmother make me gentle when I care for you. Tell me you're falling out of love, you're breaking my heart in two. I just don't want it to end bad. Almost like it didn't happen to make you happy. You telling me you
Hold on. Number one, they playing the tunes. Number two, they talking about the varsity jackets is 55. Like, what? The mom want me to spend money today, and I'm about to spend it. Okay?
Stop it.
This is cute.
I like you spending
I
on
have
me.
this right here. It's fire.
Yeah, that's alright. You copy?
It's like Juice WRLD, but I don't know how I feel about that.
Yeah, young nigga,
Hey.
young nigga, yeah.
Or large.
Okay, you the only one who gotta like it, mama. I'm just saying.
What's wrong with it?
Bluetooth device
is ready to pair.
Can we see how I can get this?
Girl.
I'm dead ass. I'm about to
It's probably.
Cause I don't want gray, I want black.
Or black. Or black, yes, I agree.
Yes, black.
Red or black?
Black. Blacka.
Negro.
Look at this apple though.
With the black, does it have like gold in it or just...
Yeah.
So how does it work? Like the thing is that...
This is fire. This whole little thing.
So if you put $1 down, though, it's probably gonna be mad. Well, it's 1,000.
Yeah, while we was going all over the place looking for some aloe juice, we come to some random store and we got some. What the hell is this? We don't even know. We about to taste it right now. Gotta chew. It's Tamara. She got the mango one. We got to try it.
Smell good.
Yo, it's trying to close over there.
I smell good. It tastes like aloe.
It do taste like aloe. Let me see how that other thing, that chicken tastes. It's literally like aloe.
It just got mangoes cut.
Yeah, this got a little tamarind in there. That's good.
That's good. 10 recommend. And it's probably really good cold.
I'm about to save it.
Oh my gosh.
Wow! Wow! Oh my god! Wow!
Hope you can find someone to love you better than I did. Taking our memories on love and treating it like nothing. Taking our memories on love and treating it like gossip.
It's us one carrying the damn freaking shit. Let's match my hat. Sock boutique. You see this? I'm getting like 3 of them. Yeah. We're gonna see how much everything come up to the total. Damn, look how long this line is. Oh, they show you? Oh, okay. Oh, thank you. If you open it over there. That's good. There's a whole bunch of bins. Like, yeah, they let you open boxes to see what's in it. So far, no left.
No.
It's like Christmas when you opening gifts. Let me see, open this one and see what's in here. Say headboard lamp. Little stupid stuff. This would be off. Yeah, first of all, where's the sale? Like 20% off, but the prices is still like, I don't know how I feel about this. Service interruption. Look, they got organization over there. Let's look at like. You need a bed? I need to order a mattress.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah.
Okay, they got checkerboard sheets. I might get this because I want a checkerboard rug in my room.
Yeah, grab it.
Would it be too much checkerboard though?
No, what else?
If I have it like under.
What
I
you
got a cell phone pocket. You see this? A cell phone pocket. Just have your cell phone at the side of the bed. You know I got 2 phones. So one of them could chill in there, sleep in there for the night. Wait, this is for a twin.
Listen, you.
I don't see it. They don't got no queen.
Whichever one is in the household, oh damn yeah. Oh, damn I knew, no I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a piece of mind, baby. Come and get a piece of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, fuck your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl. I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I fuck your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you trying to tease with them pictures you
So the nail salon not accepting us. I guess we not good enough for the nail salon, y'all.
Y'all killing me, both of y'all. Now, this is the makeup that's gonna make you glow. It's gonna be hydrated. It's gonna make you stay all day.
It's gonna make it stay all day. Probably like red. Let me see what color I am. See if it compares. Where's my color? Yeah, like somewhere over here. But sometimes your hand don't match your face. I don't know why they be like testing on your hand.
I'm not gonna go get some stuff to put down my face.
No, I think this one more. Try this one. Put it on your face. Like, touch it. About that. Yeah, what you think about that? That look kind of ashy a little bit though.
Yeah, like I want kind of like that.
He said like ashy. It need to be a little bit warmer.
I think this
Yeah,
is
warmer.
color.
Which one? Which one you put on? This one? Yeah. Try it. Tap it into one.
All of that, because
Let me see. She need to go and makeup shopping. Look at all the shit she got. She must have been easy 200.
when I told you the first time I bought it was from here.
Oh, I'm about to get back into my skin routine.
Oh, that's fine.
The total for all that was $129.17.
Yeah. So where did we come from, y'all? We went to Sephora. Y'all. She shared her bagel with me. Thank you, Shanita. It's so damn good. Why I didn't know Starbucks had bagels and I'm always there? That makes no sense. So I got me a little pink drink. Combination is busting right now.
We got Five Below. I'm about to get out. Yeah, don't reach. I see. I get free lessons. I get free lessons. Yeah. Don't lie. Yeah. Hold on. Free lessons. Yeah.
Pissing me off. We finally found a nail salon to go to, y'all. We thought we was gonna have to wait till tomorrow. Like, nobody was trying to take us. She already over here getting a mani.
Taking my baby to Taking my baby to school, then I pray for it. Cause you bitches ain't never been cool. Writing testament, painting pictures, put me in the Louvre. That's a definite universal shift. I'm in the groove. It's a do not mean integrity, you fool. I'm a good man, shake your hand, firm grip rule. 72 wins, lost 10, ballin' with the flu. More than 2 M's for sure, but add another 2. Little man, the big man's the GT down, flipping the kickstand. Rich nigga, trying to keep the balance, I'm staying strong. Stop playing with me before I turn you to a song. Stop playing with me before I turn you to a song. Hey, bitch, I'm attractive. Can't fuck with you no more, I'm fasting.
Alright, y'all, quick little Sephora haul since I forgot to do it yesterday. So, the first thing that I got some Oil Control Urban Decay makeup setting spray. Because I'm very oily and my makeup began mad oily. So, and this is the best setting spray I done used. I haven't re-upped yet, but this is it. Okay, and I also want to try these topicals. I seen on TikTok that it was working for the girls. So, I'm about to try it out and see if it works for me. It's for dark spots. If you guys didn't know, I'm gonna do a whole facial like skincare routine and stuff one day, y'all, so stay tuned. And I also got 2 of these Brow Wiz. Yeah, I got 2 of these eyebrow pencils, and this is the only eyebrow pencil that I like to use, the Brow Wiz. They didn't have the medium brown, so I had to get the dark brown. So hopefully it works the same and it looks good still, but that's why my eyebrows be on fleek out. Everybody who wants to know It's a Fenty Beauty Matchstick. Fenty Beauty Matchstick. This is what I used to use for highlight back in the day, and I haven't re-upped yet, so it's my first time re-upping up. I've been using the Trophy Wife by Fenty Beauty, and that's kind of like a dramatic look, so I'm happy that I got like a subtle highlight now, and this one is Champagne Heist. And I also got a gloss bomb. Well, I got two. This is the first one that I got, and this one is the one Fenty Glow. And I hope this is bomb. And then I also got one of the newer gloss bombs, the Gloss Bomb Ice Cooling Lip Luminizer. And this one is in Cold Hearted, period. And I just know this gonna shine in the dark, shine bright like a diamond. So yeah, this is the difference between both of them. Yeah, so that's all I got from Sephora. Happy Cinco de Mayo. We got to eat.
Everybody.
No game here. What you got? Hey, Miss Maxine. How do you like a bunch of love? If I ever tell you about Maxine, you wanna say I don't know what's on. Murder, she wrote.